Niveus, a holding company whose principal interests are Vukani Gaming and HCI Bingo.
Yeah, so spun off out of the HCI group in a separately listed entity. So if you had HCI, you ended up with these, although HCI still has like a 50, I think, % stake in it. But that is the business. Vukani slots, which are semi-regulated gaming machines that you find in some shopping malls and bars and things like that. I'm not all that familiar with those, it must be said, but they make quite a lot of money.
Market cap 3.3 billion rand, price to earnings ratio 40, and a dividend yield here of 0.8. So we're on the expensive side, especially for a value manager.
Yeah, you could definitely say that. Slot machines, as Paul touched on, don't know much about them, but seemingly they make them quite a bit of money. I guess the key question here is, with a price to earnings ratio of that level, do you see a big growth number underpinning that price to earnings ratio? I'm not so convinced.
Are you convinced, Paul?
Well, there's again a bit of noise there because of the split off and the unbundling, so the year-on-year comparisons are hard. Remember, there's that KWV liquor business in there as well. Yeah. In the commentary, they say there's a real problem with some of the smaller taverns and bars running totally unregulated gaming machines, and it's a constant battle to make sure that they aren't undermined, because this is regulated and the number of machines are set and the payout ratios are set.
Let's get a quick update on the share price and the action that we've seen to this point.
Well, people got these if they had HCI, but at a relatively low value. The turnover isn't great, and it sort of bounces around a little bit, the share price. Teppel?
That's quite a dramatic movement in 2.5 years. So if you were holding these, you're probably smiling.
But you wouldn't go and deploy new cash now, would you?
No. To be fair, I don't see this massive growth underpin in terms of earnings. So no, I wouldn't be deploying.
Not hot. Paul, hot or not?
And one other thing to point out is that their main competitor, which is GPI Slots, which used to be part of Grand Parade, has been acquired by Sun International. So again, Sun International is going to put effort and energy into this arena, potentially at the detriment of Vukani. So on that score, I'm also going to go not hot.